Did Supreme Court disappoint you? It's because some people, some vested interest, deliberately misled you. For their benefit, not for your benefit. Supreme Court, you may have been led to believe Supreme Court would give its final verdict. That is, it would pronounce its judgment, ruling that the doctor's killer be hanged. We too would have liked that. But that was impossible. The trial of the killer Sanjay is to be held in Kolkata. It cannot go directly to Supreme Court. Supreme Court is for appeal, not preliminary trial. So, the case would go on in the Kolkata court. And murder case takes time. It cannot be disposed of in 1 or 2 hearings. Even charge sheet has not been filed. CBI investigating officer and the public prosecutor nearly facilitated getting him a bail. So, charge sheet has to be filed. In Kolkata court, not in Supreme Court. Evidence to be presented and established. Objections have to be refuted. Only then can the judgment come. Then, if an appeal is preferred, it may go to High Court and then to Supreme Court. Till then, Supreme Court will just monitor investigation by CBI. But, very unfortunately, the CBI has been doing a half-hearted work. So, if anyone tells you that the next hearing in Supreme Court is on such and such date, remember it is for CBI to present the progress report, not about the punishment for the killer. Then, there is another section of people who are dissatisfied with the apex court asking them to resume work. And some stupid people are portraying as a big setback. Supreme Court is under no obligation to satisfy any person or any group. It is to decide what is right, what is just, and what is in the best interest of the society. If the junior doctors were expecting more leniency from the court, it is their unjust expectation, not the court's problem. But the most egg on face must be the counsel Kaustav Bagchi, who got a good dressing down. Well, he deserved it. And the CBI acknowledged receiving the necessary document pertaining to case file. That's something. Now, over to CBI to move a bit faster than a tortoise in filing the charge sheet and get the case going.